The sky wears its silver crown, whispering secrets as it looks down. Each drop a story, soft and pure, a fleeting moment, yet so sure. Do you hear it call your name? Soft as sail, never the same. Whisper of the rain, it knows my heart. Every fall, a brand new start. It sings, it dances, it fades away, but leaves a song for me to play. The earth drinks deep from its tender gift, filling rivers, giving spirits a lift, pavement glistens. Dreams take flight in the quiet of the twilight. Listen close, it's more than sound, a melody that spins around. It holds a world, it mends the cracks, guides us lost and pulls us back. Whisper of the rain, it knows my heart. Every fall, a brand new start. It sings, it dances,